In these wild waters, only one will rule. Jaguar or Anaconda, power versus power. The clash starts. Before the sun fully claims the sky, a black jaguar steps into the still river. Every ripple is a calculated whisper. It knows this flooded forest holds life and danger in equal measure. Mid-current, the big cat pauses, its whiskers quiver, catching faint vibrations. Something massive stirs beneath the opaque water, too smooth for drifting wood, too patient for fish. Beneath the surface, an ancient hunter glides. The anaconda's patterned coils shift with the current, eyes just above water, reading every movement of the jaguar above. Two predators now share the same silent path. The jaguar wades chest deep, muscles taut, while the snake shadows it like a living river branch. Neither rushes. Each waits for the A sudden eruption shatters the calm. Water bursts skyward as the anaconda breaks cover, its powerful head slicing through the morning light. The ambush begins. Eye to eye they freeze. Golden feline gaze meets cold reptilian stare. In that electric pause, instinct decides the next move long before muscle. The snake lunges first, a whip of muscle and scales, but the jaguar is quicker, jerking back, claws raking the current, dodging a grip that could crush bone in seconds. fury ignites. The jaguar surges forward, front paws clamping onto the serpent's midsection. Water boils around them as the battle explodes into hunter and hunted twist as one. The anaconda coils and rolls, dragging its rival into deeper mud. The jaguar thrashes free, teeth flashing, each splash a contest of strength. At last the giant snake slides beneath the river's skin, vanishing as if the fight never happened. The jaguar stands alone, soaked and breathing hard. For now, the river belongs to the cat. The river falls silent again, but its law remains. Only the strongest endure. Tonight the jaguar reigns, until the next hunter dares to challenge